Hi everyone, my name is Vash. I'm from Spectronic Solar and Lighting Design. I'm based in Randburg, Johannesburg. This is a 200 kilowatt grid tie solution that we've done in the south of Joburg using four 50 kilowatt hybrid Solis inverters. It's the first of its kind where we've paralleled four 50 kilowatt hybrids to run as a grid tie. So the challenges that this client faced were the exorbitant electricity bills that they were experiencing, and that led to them contacting us and coming out and doing a complete site assessment to put a system together to meet their needs.
My name's Bradley Moore. I'm the Managing Director of Solis Inveters in South Africa. We're a rubber molding company. We use a fair amount of power. We've had our system for about 3 months now. We're really happy with the results. We're saving about 45% of the units that we used to use.
With it being the first four in parallel running as a grid tie, Solis were brilliant. They wrote new firmwares for us to be able to allow the system to run in this capacity, at this capacity. Commissioning took us the best of 2 hours to get that right in terms of firmware updates and so on. And then there were obviously the general tweaks upon commissioning, which took about another week, but the system was up and running during that time. There was minimal downtime on site. In terms of time, I can tell you about an hour max. Experience working with the Solis team was brilliant. I went for Solis training at a wholesaler, the importing agent of Solis, where I learned about the 50 kilowatt system. And at that time, I discussed the project with Jason, the technical manager for Solis, and he was on board for us to roll this out. Upon commissioning, we had virtual assistants from Walter and Glovu at Solis. We did the firmware updates and of the commissioning site. Results we've seen since installing the system, on a monthly average, about 42,000 Rand saving, because there's, as you'll see just now, there's a lot of heavy machinery, a lot of motors, a lot of elements that are being run in this on the site, and it also speaks to the above demand charge that they're getting charged. So we are being able to supplement that as well as create power to feed the rest.
Yeah, so far we're really happy with the system. Easy to use, we haven't had downtime. So yes, I would definitely recommend it.